The early 21st century saw new dangers emerge. Piracy, terrorism, and regional conflicts demanded a new type of naval power. The US Navy responded with the Littoral Combat Ship, or LCS. This innovative vessel was designed for the littorals, the complex near-shore environments where traditional warships struggled. The LCS was to be fast, agile, and adaptable, its mission to dominate the world's coastlines. The LCS program promised a revolution in naval warfare. It envisioned a fleet of small, highly capable ships that could quickly respond to threats around the globe. The ships were designed to operate closer to shore than their larger counterparts. This allowed them to access ports and waterways that were previously inaccessible. The LCS was a bold vision, one that promised to redefine naval power in the 21st century. At the heart of the LCS program lay a commitment to cutting-edge technology. The ships were designed around a modular concept. This meant that they could be easily reconfigured for different missions. Swappable mission packages allowed the LCS to switch between roles. One day, it could be a mine hunter, the next, a submarine hunter. The flexibility was unprecedented. One of the LCS's most potent weapons is the Naval Strike Missile, or NSM. This long-range, precision-guided missile provides a significant offensive punch. The NSM is capable of striking targets at sea and on land. This makes the LCS a versatile platform for various missions. The LCS also boasts impressive speed. It can reach speeds of over 40 knots. This makes it one of the fastest warships in the world. The LCS is a true child of the 21st century. It blends speed, technology, and adaptability in a way that few warships can match. Despite its promise, the LCS program has faced choppy seas. Cost overruns have plagued the program from the start. The initial price tag for each ship was significantly lower than the final cost. This has led to criticism from Congress and the public. Technical issues have also hampered the LCS. Propulsion systems, hull strength, and mission module integration have all experienced problems. These issues have raised concerns about the reliability and effectiveness of the ships. Perhaps the most serious concern is the LCS's survivability in combat. Critics argue that the ships are too lightly armed and armored. They fear that the LCS would be vulnerable in a conflict against a well-equipped adversary. These concerns have led to calls for the program to be scaled back or even cancelled. The LCS program serves as a reminder that even the most innovative ideas can encounter unexpected difficulties. The future of the LCS remains uncertain. The US Navy is currently evaluating the program. They are considering a range of options, including upgrading existing ships and reducing the total number of ships. The decision will depend on several factors. These include the evolving strategic landscape, budgetary constraints, and the Navy's overall shipbuilding priorities. Some experts believe that the LCS still has a role to play in the Indo-Pacific region. Its speed and shallow draft make it well suited for operations in the region's littoral environments. Others argue that the money spent on the LCS would be better invested in other capabilities. They believe that the US Navy needs to prioritize larger, more heavily armed ships to counter the growing threat from China. The LCS program stands at a crossroads. Its ultimate fate will depend on the difficult choices facing the US Navy in the years to come.